Hi guys, this is me Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create a very natural looking everyday makeup look. So for this first I'm going with my moisturizer that is from Faceshop. It's the moisturizing emulsion, and then I have applied a bit of lip balm that is from Kiko. Then I'm going ahead and using some primer that is from Pack, I guess. Yep. And then I'm using a little bit of concealer. I'm not going to use any kind of foundation, so I'm just blending the concealer into my spots areas and my problem areas. Now I'm directly going with the powder. So this is Studio Fix from MAC, and this is a compact, so I'm just going ahead and applying all over my face and neck, so just to make sure that my face and neck is matching. And then I'm going ahead and using a little bit of blush, and that is again from MAC. And then I'm using this Nykaa highlighter. This is in the shade Glitter Artist 02. So this is the turn for eyeshadows. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty palette. I'm going ahead and using a very light brown color, but I'll go with a little bit smoky kind of eye because it was one of my interview sessions, so I created that look. But you guys can go with very light handed also, but you can wear this party make you can wear this eye look as a party makeup look also. So yeah, this is how I'm creating. You guys can check and do accordingly. So for the inner corner highlight, I'm using one light shade from the same palette, and next I'm going to do it for my like brow bones, so that it looks a little bit highlighted. And then I'm going ahead with a little darker color just to create the proper smoky eye look for this makeup. So yeah, that's all. So for my eyebrows, I'm using this Innisfree eyebrow pencil just to fill in the gaps. It looks very natural. To make my eyes look a little more opened up, I'm using this pencil from Kiko. So for my lipstick, I'm using this MAC Meheriner lipstick, and then I'll line my lips with some Colorbar lip liner. I'll just link it down. And then for my eyelashes, I have used some Kiko mascara. And that's all about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with all your friends. Bye bye.